doll that. Yes, yes, yes.
Hello everyone, this is the Fab Dad. Let's watch this. Whoop whoop. Today we're gonna talk and open Finding Dory's surprise eggs. Finding Dory. Finding Dory. Finding Dory. Let's open it. Here's the box. Milk, chocolate, and toy surprises. Finding Dory. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little figurines for us to collect. Okay, let's open them. Here's the egg. There's Dory and Elmo. I can't wait to open it. Let's crack it open. And it's empty. That's because the toy is inside here. It's a little stuck. Oh, got it. Let's see what we have here. A little flyer, all the characters. And the toy. See, it's supposed to be on the stand. And the tail. And there you have it. It's a shark. Let's open the next box and see what we're gonna get. Here's the egg. It's filled with milk chocolate. And we crack it open. And the toy. Right here. Let's see what we're going to get this time. Of course, we have a flyer. And we have sea lion. Very pretty and cute. And up next, we have another box to open. Chin, 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 chin. Let's unwrap it. Here it goes. And here's the toy. See what we have now. Of course, we have a flyer. And oh, we have Dory. We have Dory. Look. There's Dory. Finding Dory, and here we have Dory. That's awesome. She's so pretty. There it is. Finding Dory. And we have Dory. Looks like he wants to eat some chocolate. Gum, 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 gum. Oh, so does the seal. Gum, 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 gum. And Dory wants to eat. Wait, Dory forgot what she wants to eat. Okay, thank you everyone. Stay tuned for more toy surprises. Remember to like and subscribe. Whoop whoop.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Bye.